Welcome, everyone. Today, we will be discussing the ancient and beneficial practice of Shirodhara. Shirodhara is a therapy that has been present in ancient Indian Ayurvedic medicine and is known to bring harmony to the mind, body, and soul. So let's dive in and learn more about this wonderful practice. Shirodhara is a simple yet profound technique that involves applying a warm, nurturing oil on the forehead. The oil is derived from the steam distillation of plants like lavender, chamomile, or nema tree from the Nimbu family. The oil is then sprayed onto the forehead while the person is lying in a relaxed and still position. The purpose of this practice is to nourish the brain and enhance the overall well-being of the individual. The oil flowing over the forehead stimulates the brain's central nervous system, promotes relaxation, and helps maintain a calm and serene state of mind. This, in turn, helps to balance the body's doshas, the three essential natural elements of our being, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Additionally, Shirodhara has been found to have a positive impact on the immune system, reducing inflammation and relieving stress and anxiety. The oil also carries essential oils that act as natural antibiotics, helping to protect the body against infections. To practice Shirodhara, all you need is a few drops of the chosen oil and a calming environment. You can practice this ritual at home or visit Ayurvedic spa for a more immersive and professional experience. In conclusion, Shirodhara is a beautiful and ancient practice that brings numerous benefits to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By integrating this simple yet powerful technique into your daily routine,
You can experience a deeper sense of tranquility and balance.